Good afternoon, Sourabh. This is Yogesh here from Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. Congratulations on your placement. Can you just brief yourself?
Hi sir, good afternoon. This is Sourabh Deshpande. I completed my engineering in Basaveshwar Engineering College, Bagalakote, sir. Then I have completed my course in, I have taken the course as a CACM course in, I have placed for interior designer, sir.
And you're coming from which place?
Sir, I'm coming from Bagalakote, sir.
Bagalakote. Okay. Which course you have joined here?
Sir, I have joined for a CACM course, sir.
CSM. So tell me, what are the things you have learned during your internship here at CSM?
In CACM's course, sir, daily we have learned about reading of drawings, construction process, and QS, cut list, and quality, some site management, and we have learned the softwares like AutoCAD and SketchUp, sir. And for rendering, we have learned V-Ray.
And what about the site visits? Which are the site visits, showrooms, experience center?
Sir, for site visits, we have visited the Samitwa site visits, sir, and we have visited the Green Building. And for experience centers, we have visited Design Cafe and Design Studio. That's it, sir.
Can you just brief about which are the site visit, what you have learned after visiting the site?
Sir, for site visits, we have visited the green building concepts. Which, in the green building, we have learned about how the green buildings are helpful for the environment. Like they are using the recycling the water and using for the flushing toilets, gardening plants, etc. And they have used the based on the direction, they have used the windows on which direction the more energy will be absorbed, and they have used the double glass concept, sir. Wherever the heat is coming to the building, they have used the double glass concept so that the heat cannot enter.
So it will not enter, only the light
will enter. And they have used the AC concept, sir, where during the night time the cold air will be intake from the terrace, and that will be cooled down automatically. During morning, for 2 hours, automatically the temperature will be controlled. AC is not open.
And can you just tell me, what are the things which you have learned?
Sir, in CMTI, we have learned a brief about the quantity estimation, sir. How to estimate the quantities for materials at site, sir. And we have learned a special thing called the cut list, sir. How to manage the cutting of boards as per the design, control the wastage. And we have also learned rendering. After learning SketchUp, we have learned the good rendering skills to make it look aesthetically.
Okay. Right. And tell me, how was the support from the trainer?
Sir, I got very much support from the trainer as well as HR, sir. From the trainer, I got the support like how to face the interview and what all questions will be asked. And HR also helped me to prepare my resume portfolio. They have helped me to each and every step. They also helped me for my placements.
Anyway, actually, congratulations. Anyway, you have cracked the interview. Can you just tell us, how was your preparation? What were the other things which you are doing to crack the interview? And how was the support from the HR team to crack the interview?
After completion my course, HR helped sending the questions which type of questions should be asked based on the role I was searching for interior designer, and HR also helped me for making my resume as for the interior designer separate resume and for CSM separate resume, and HR also helped me while sending the sending to companies and supported me a lot.
Finally, what do you like to say to your juniors and students who would like to join CMTI?
For all juniors, I would suggest CMTI to join as soon as after completing the degree, so that you can get experience through software as well as through site also. Here you can learn good teachings from Natarajan sir, and we have SketchUp Santosh sir, and you will get the good opportunity to get the knowledge and as well as to get the placement through CMTI also.
So finally, can you just tell me, you have been appointed at which, what was your, what is the position you are joining as?
Sir, I am joining as a junior interior designer.
Joining as junior interior designer. Fine. Thanks for your feedback, Sourabh. Wishing you good luck for your future.
Thank you, sir.